Hasnin?
Over there.
Okay. You should greet to mommy. Happy Mother's Day, mom. Say.
Happy Mother's Day, Mom.
Kiss to mommy. Ay, so sweet. Where's my flower? Daddy, where's my flower?
Over there.
Over there. This is the flowers he wants to give to me. This is the one. The flowers. The plants. Okay? And Happy Mother's Day, Nanay. Say Happy Mother's Day, Nanay.
Mother's Day, Nanay.
Thank you, Lala.
Happy Mother's Day, Tita Muning.
Happy Mother's Day, Tita Moni.
Happy Mother's Day, Lola.
Happy Mother's Day, Lola.
Happy Mother's Day, Tita Sol.
Happy Mother's Day, Tita So.
Happy Mother's Day, Tita Do.
Happy Mother's Day, Tita Do.
Happy Mother's Day to everyone.
Happy Mother's Day to everyone.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
I don't have flowers yet. I don't
I don't
have flowers yet. But Hasnin can give this plant. Okay, say bye-bye. Now, bye everyone. See you in my next YouTube.
video.
Hi, thanks everyone. Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye everyone. Bye-bye everyone.